Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, this is a safe space. We usually don't think about our balance until the day we lose it. For me, it was random morning on Tuesday. I got out of my bed and walked 3 steps, and after that, I started to feel the dizziness. It was not too much to make me faint, but it was enough to make me pause. But I brushed it off, thinking maybe it could any of the reasons. Maybe I have skipped the dinner, or maybe I was feeling weakness. But after that, the dizziness was started to feel more awful, like by sitting on couch for too long, even turning my head too quickly, and even climbing on the stairs were hard due to of dizziness. I after that I researched about the Googles for the reasons and got to know that it could be the reason of not getting enough sleep, maybe it's aging, or maybe I'm taking a lot of stress. But surprisingly, for me, I'm in my 20s, so aging isn't the problem. Even I'm getting quality sleep. And I was the person who doesn't take a lot of stress. But after that, I got to know that what I actually need is natural daily supplement. I researched about it and got to know that Claritex Pro is a natural daily supplement that I have been missing. And from there on, I started to take Claritex Pro on daily basis. And what it really changed my life in a more positive way. What is really interesting about Claritex Pro is that it focuses on inner ear, brain function, and nervous system to make sure that we feel stability throughout the day. What is really interesting about that product is that there are a lot of supplements, but they usually talk about one thing only, like pain, stress, sleep, and immunity. Nobody talks about the balance. But for Claritex Pro, it talks about the balance in a more holistic way because the ingredients focus entirely on brain clarity, nerve communication, healthy circulation, antioxidant protection and overall stability throughout the day. And this product has great ingredients, including green tea extracts that protects brain cells and supports focus. Ginseng helps energy and mental sharpness. Milk thistle support natural detox pathways. Zinc and chromium help nervous and balance signaling. Berberine supports overall wellness throughout the day. It's like giving your brain inner ear nutrients that they had been missing. Now, for me, it took a lot of time to work, but I have been consistent for that product. Like after consuming it for 1 week, the brain fog was less and I started to feel more active. After 3 weeks, I started to feel a lot of more positive changes. Like I started to feel more active throughout the day. Even there was less dizziness. After 7 weeks, the dizziness was completely gone. I started to feel more healthier, more confident inside my body. And from there on, took a pledge to consume Claritex Pro on a daily basis. Now, it took me a lot of time to figure out the right product because there are a lot of fake websites popping up here and there. But for you guys, I put the right manufacturer's official link in the description. So you can go there and buy from it. And I highly recommend you guys to buy from the source that I had been providing, which is the link in the description. And what is really interesting about Cryotix Pro that they are providing 60-day money back guarantee. For me, Cryotix Pro worked out really great. But if there are someone for whom Cryotix Pro didn't work out, they can go and ask for the refund. No questions asked. With that, if you have any doubt and you want to share your journey with us, you can comment down below and we would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay focused.